Hey cuties, what's up, what's up, what's up? How are you doing? If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to Q Naturally Lovely Q, where everything we do on this channel is all about nails. So today's nailspiration is coming from my very last video, which was the press-on nail set for my sister's virtual baby shower that I did. My mom also wanted a pair, and who wouldn't make some press-on nails for their mom? Like, I have no clue, but she wanted a set, and I decided I wanted to do marble theme nails on this press-on set. And in doing so, I discovered a little secret that I want to share with you guys. We're gonna sit down at this cutie zone and we're gonna create this beautiful marble press-on nails for my mom. And again, if you're new, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit your post notifications because I post every Tuesday, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hello again, cuties. So yes, we're going to be doing some press-on nails in the cutie zone today for my mom, and in advance, it looks like it's setting up to rain, so if y'all hear any noises in the background, that's what that is. But my mom is a nurse, so this length is just going to be a little bit too much, and we pretty much have the same size fingers, so I'm just judging it against my fingers as far as the length, so that way I can get it cut down to what I feel like will be suitable for her to be able to wear at work and things like that. So I'm gonna get all of these cut down, and then we're gonna get into the rest of this beautiful design that I'm gonna create for her. Now that they're all cut down, I was really like bouncing back and forth between how I wanted to do this set. I'm gonna go in with the Candy Lovers gel paint that I have in white, and I'll make sure to list it on screen so that way you guys know which specific color I used. But I went in with one coat, and eventually I decided to go with 2 coats because that made my primary colors more pigmented, and I didn't have to, like, you know, do too many applications on a clear tip. Like after a couple, you know, other nails, I kind of figured, okay, I want all of them to be this white background and then put the primary color on top of that. So yes, I am just gonna get 2 coats of this on here, and now I'm gonna start putting this beautiful plum colored purple on here. This was from that Tamika nail gel polish that you guys probably saw earlier on in one of my very early videos when I finally got some gel polish. But I really love how rich this color is. Now I could have stopped here at this 1 coat, but I still felt like too much of that white was coming through. Like, it looked like it was pretty sparse to me, so I wanted to darken that out a little bit. And all of the colors you see here are the colors that my mom picked. We were video chatting, and I kind of showed her some of my swatches, and those are the ones that she picked. So I'm just gonna get 2 coats on the nails for the colors that I want, and then we're gonna get into some more beauty with this beautiful press-on nail set. I know y'all can probably hear my girls in the background. We just came from outside having a little bit of fun in the sun, and like I said, it's getting ready to start raining, so we're in now, and they're still kind of like excited from being outside. But every time I do a layer of polish, I cure for at least 30 seconds, and then I do the second layer. So if you guys are not seeing me, you know, doing that, just know that I am curing for 30 seconds after each layer. And each layer I'm applying is very thin, but you can already see how pigmented all of these colors are in this gel polish kit that I got from Amazon. And that's also gonna be in the description box, so that way if y'all wanna purchase it, you're more than welcome to have at it, okay? So again, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you guys will consider subscribing to my channel for more uploads every Tuesday of every week. And I'm very interested to hear some of the things that my subscribers want to see me create on this channel. So be sure to leave some comments. Now, this little palette here is pretty much a candle holder that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it's kind of like getting on my nerves that y'all can actually see my overhead ring light, and y'all can see me there just a bit, like the reflection and stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna add some foil to this to kind of minimize that. But this is basically how I created the color mixture for marbling the nails. Now, time for the big reveal, guys. So I'm going in with the top coat. And I decided, instead of curing this top coat, I'm just gonna let this marble mixture slide right onto this nail and see what happens. And you guys, I had some blooming gel in my Amazon cart for a long time. And after seeing what happened with these nails, I am not gonna purchase blooming gel, because look at how these colors started blooming on its own. Like, isn't that absolutely amazing? Like, I always thought, you need blooming gel in order to bloom gel polish, but this is proof positive that you do not need blooming gel in order to bloom your polish. Blooming gel may give you a different effect or a more intense effect when, blooming gel polish, but y'all can sit here and clearly see what I'm saying. Like, this polish was blooming in that wet top coat, and I did not use blooming gel for this at all. So if anyone's out there and they've wanted to try this and have been thinking they wanted blooming gel or needed blooming gel to do it, here's the proof. You don't. You have top coat, try it. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I guess you're gonna need some blooming gel. But I'm just gonna kind of take off the excess around the nail so that way it doesn't like pool up and create any bumps or bubbles and stuff like that. And I'm going to cure that, and I will be back with you guys. But yes, that's the beautiful secret that I had. No blooming gel needed. Now, for those of you in the back, I'm gonna do it again one more time so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. So that way, you guys can see how easy it is. And I promise y'all, no blooming gel was used to get this marble polish, this marbling, to bloom the way that it bloomed. I promise you. Y'all see how pretty that is? And like, it kept a lot of its marbling effects that I was looking for, and it just made the outer edges of where I put the nail polish, the gel polish, just kind of bloom and fade out, just subtly. And I really like that. So I don't need to buy blooming gel. I am not gonna buy blooming gel because I can create the same beautiful look with my regular top coat. And I really think y'all should try it. And when you do try it, make sure to, message me back in the comments and let me know if it worked for you, and send me pictures so I can see what beautiful work you guys create as well. Now, this is the second color that she chose, which I think is just so beautiful. It is just such a pretty pink. It's not too bright, not too dark. It's just really, really beautiful. And I actually like it. It kind of reminds me of like a mauve kind of color, but it goes very well with these other two colors. And I'm just gonna get those ready for some bling. But in the meantime and in between time, I am going to take my glitter craft paint from Walmart. I picked this up from the Dollar General. I'm gonna take that. I'm just gonna put a little bit near the outline of the marbling to kind of give it just a little hint of sparkle. And then I'm gonna top coat all of these nails. I'm going to reshape them, apply extra top coat where needed, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all with some bling, baby. So far, this is what the nails are looking like at this point, and these colors are just meshing so well. I know that purple is so deep that it looks like it's black, but y'all saw that it was purple in the beginning, and it just looks so beautiful. I'm really liking these colors, especially that pink and the marble nail. I really feel like this is something that I would wear, and I think my mom's gonna like it. What y'all think? I think she's gonna like it. Y'all tell me what y'all think. And I know y'all hear my kids in the background hollering and screaming for no reason, but kids are gonna be kids, so let them holler. But heading back to these nails, I'm gonna get this final bit of top coat, like I said, where I need it after I've reshaped all of these nails. And then I'm gonna bling these pink nails out, and we're gonna see how pretty this is gonna look in a little bit. So I think this is about the time where I need to tell y'all how many gel polish bottles this set is gonna get for me. And it's definitely getting a 5 out of 5 because I really like it. It's just so beautiful. The colors are just so pretty and so classy. It really does remind me of my mom and like a set that she would wear if she went to get an enhancement at the salon. But I'm about to bling her out because my mama needs some bling. I've never seen my mom with any type of embellishments on her nails. So I think this will be a beautiful addition and kind of like a game changer for her. So we're gonna get some nice little AB stones on here that I also purchased on Amazon, and some caviar beads that I also purchased on Amazon on these nails, and just make a nice simple, you know, embellishment for her. And I'll get back with y'all. So I do want to take time to mention that after I placed all of the stones and the caviar beads, I kind of like flash cured for 10 seconds and then added more of my gem gel to areas that I needed it. So that way I wasn't like overdoing it with the gem gel, and I had the ability to put things where I needed it to be, get it frozen there, and then move on to the next, because I didn't want this, you know, the gems to be like sliding around all over the place. But now I'm gonna top coat this nail because I didn't top coat this when I top coated the others. The only thing I did was refine the shape by filing around the sidewall and the free edge. And now I'm gonna adhere my caviar beads. Like, these little caviar beads be working my nerves sometimes because they be sticking together, and I have to like break them apart sometimes. Like, y'all can't marry up like this. Y'all have to separate sometimes because I need y'all separated. But I'm just gonna get them in little places and kind of make this elegant design with these caviar beads. So it just looks simple, but yet very elegant and cute. But yes, y'all, I really enjoyed doing this set. The colors, again, were so beautiful. It was very easy to create this press-on set. I really enjoyed the fact that I'm able to bloom gel polish without blooming gel. And y'all can't tell me that this isn't pretty. Like, my mom is absolutely gonna love this when she sees it. I just have to get it packaged and shipped to her. It's not a surprise. She knows that I'm making her this, and I have the ring finger and the middle finger, I believe. Yeah, I have those two backwards, so they're just gonna be switched on different hands. But see here, I switched it because you could tell by the size. But I think my mom is gonna like it. I had fun doing it, and as always, I'll most definitely talk to you guys in my next one.